Did you ever wish Claude Code could talk directly to your GitHub, your database, or even your Slack workspace? What if you could give Claude Code the power to interact with all your favorite tools? Welcome to TechGuardian Academy Episode 7, where we unlock the magic of MCP servers and show you how to give Claude Code some real superpowers. Let's quickly recap what we covered so far. You've learned what Claude Code is, how to install it, built your first project, mastered /commands. Use Claude.md to help Claude understand your projects, and debugged like a pro. But today, we're taking things to a whole new level. So what are MCP servers? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. They're special servers that act like bridges between Claude Code and the outside world. Think GitHub, databases, Slack, or even your own custom tools. By connecting Claude Code to MCP servers, you can extend its capabilities way beyond just code generation. To get started, you first need to find an MCP server that suits your needs. There are plenty of open-source MCP servers available on GitHub. Just search for Claude Code MCP server plus the tool you want. Popular options include the GitHub MCP for issue tracking and code reviews, a database MCP for querying your data, and a Slack MCP for real-time team collaboration. Installing an MCP server usually means cloning the repository and running the server locally or on your cloud instance. Most come with simple setup instructions. Once your server is running, you'll need its URL. Keep that handy. Now, let's connect it to Claude Code. Open your settings.json file in the Claude Code app or extension. Look for the MCP servers array and add your server's URL there. Save and reload Claude Code, and voila, your new MCP tools are ready to use. But how do we actually use these new powers? Inside any Claude Code conversation, you'll now see new tools or /commands provided by your MCP server. For example, with the GitHub MCP, you can ask Claude to fetch pull requests, review code, or manage issues directly from your repo. With a database MCP, you could run queries and get live results. Slack MCP, send messages, or automate workflows right from Claude Code. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even build your own MCP server. The basics involve creating a simple HTTP API that follows the Model Context Protocol, usually in Python, Node.js, or Go. All you need is to define what actions your MCP will provide, and Claude Code will pick them up as new tools. Check out the docs for templates and examples. So, MCP servers are your secret weapon to make Claude Code smarter, more connected, and way more useful in your workflow. Next time, we'll explore how to chain together multiple tools and automate entire development tasks with Claude Code. For more details, check out the Claude Code documentation at claude.ai/code. Subscribe and hit the bell for the next episode.